Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel called Super Simple Life. I'm Isha
I am Monisha.
and we are motivational sisters. Um, we would really like to thank each one of you for supporting our channel and showing so much of love. We are really grateful to all of you. We would also like to say that we had committed that we'll be uploading our videos on every Saturday. But as you know, the lockdown is going on and we shoot our videos during the lockdown. So due to the technical glitches and the other things, we are not able to upload our videos on every Saturday. We'll try our best to upload it on Saturdays, but gradually, we'll try our best to do it. So as and when we are prepared with the video, we upload the video.
Yeah. And guys, today we have come up with yet another important topic. We are going to share you 6 ways of how to organize your life. And guys, most of the individuals these days summarize their life with one word: chaotic. And the term chaotic, which is described by the Webster dictionary, is total confusion and disorder. And it's so true. Life has become chaos and confusion only. And from managing and juggling of homework, then relationship, then finances, health and everything, life in between has certainly become a chaotic.
So can we actually rise above this noise and chaos and be organized? Well, yes, certainly, why not?
Yeah.
But it will definitely require some of your effort, consistent effort, and your awareness that will help you to organize your life in a better manner.
Yes.
So we have our 6 ways of organizing our lives we are sharing with you. The number 1 is building better habits and routine. Now, organizing life can easily be boiled down to developing and managing better routines and habits, because these help to assist in us performing the activities that we're doing every day. Now, but the problem is majority of us do not take out time to sort the problem once for all, the organizing of your life from the ground level. And that happens because we do not have time. We are always stuck in what are we doing right now. So for once and all, what we need to do is we need to break these patterns and stop this cycle once for all, and then organize our lives and set the routines and patterns in a proper manner.
And number 2 is declutter your life. Well guys, in order to organize your life, you have to declutter it first. Simplify your life. When you simplify it, you will have clarity in your life. So take a pen and paper and jot down. A, what do you want in your life? Well, you may say, why this is important? This is important. Well, when you don't know what do you want, you are shooting in a dark. And when you know what do you want in your life, you are laser focusing on your life and organizing your mind. And B is setting goals. Setting goals plays very important role in decluttering your life and organizing your mind. And C, home and office organization. Well, it's a very popular saying that clean home, clean mind. So in order to organize, declutter your house. Do a deep cleaning of your house, your car, your office, your workstation and so on, so that you will have clarity and the neatness and the positivity in your environment, so that you can organize your thing accordingly.
Yeah, so that brings us to number 3, which is embrace your natural inclination. Now, don't get scared. What is this? Embrace your natural inclination. In simple words, it means you need to understand what are you more inclined towards. When you organize your life and you make your habits and routines, it at times becomes self-defeating. For example, you say, I should get up at 5 in the morning and hit the gym, or I should read every night before reading because it's important. But now if you're not a gym person, you will not do this for a long time. So here you need to understand what are your longings, what are you more inclined toward. If you're not a gym person, find a recreational activity or a sport and join that instead of hitting the gym, because that is how you are close to that sport. You can be more close to that sport, and that is how you can continue that for a long time and hit and fulfill your dream.
Yes.
The goal. Similarly, if you are not a reading person, switch to a podcast. Do not read, switch to a podcast, and then organize your life, set your habits accordingly.
So next is plan ahead. Planning also plays very important role in organizing your life. Life is full of twists and turns. It's very unpredictable, but it doesn't mean that we can't plan. We can plan things, like we can take help of certain tools like to-do list. Then we can set our calendar in our mobiles, or we can write journals on daily basis so that we have clarity. And when we plan things, we are clear about the things, and we can plan for, say, weekly. We can planning our calendar weekly, then monthly and yearly also. So in organizing your life, planning plays important role, and you should plan your things.
Well, that brings us to number 5, called prioritize appropriately. You must have heard the saying, you can do anything but not everything. Doing everything is impossible, but to prioritize the crucial is within our reach. To prioritize, it is really important to prioritize while you're organizing your life, because prioritization is one of the most important tool to get organized in your life. You need to understand what is important and what matters most to reach to your highest goals, what you have set for yourself. If you have a strong, smart sense of what is important and what is not important, if you understand that, then it is easier for you to decide where to put your energy and time in a particular given day. So prioritize your day, and by understanding what is important, from where to take off your energy.
And sixth is consistency over perfection. As a humans, we are not perfect. Guys, perfection lies with God only. So we should not go for perfection. We should not look for perfection. Instead of going for perfection, we should go for consistency. Because consistency is one of the most important key in organizing your life and in making your life successful. So in order to organize your life, you should be consistent. You should know what all things you need, and then organize your life accordingly, and do all the things on consistent level. Do small things daily, and these small things will gradually help you in an incremental progress. You will do a lot by having all these things.
Yeah, so basically whatever steps we've already told, steps or ways, whatever you call it, we've told you need to be consistent in that.
Yeah.
That's how we can be organized in life. So guys, these were our 6 ways of being organized in life. Do share your feedbacks and let us know what you think about it. Try them in your homes and let us know how it helped. Did it help? Did it not help you? So we look forward for all your comments in the comment column. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed.
Thank you so much.